What's up guys, Jay's 2 cents here, and I promise today's video is going to make you cringe. So get that dislike ready, or maybe that like if you just like us to go out there and debunk stuff, but we are going to build an entire computer using all of the methods people tell you not to do. Just because we can afford to absorb the cost in case it goes wrong, and in case you've ever wondered what happens if you do the things people tell you not to do, we're gonna find out what happens when you do all of them.
Build from NZXT lets buyers customize their gaming experience based on their desired FPS goals in today's most popular game titles. Choose a game you want to play, set a budget, and Build will recommend the best parts for your build. Want to get gaming faster? Then choose Blitz mode and order before 11 a.m. Pacific time, and your order will be built, tested, and shipped same day. To learn more about NZXT's Build, follow the link in the description below.
And one of the first things people will tell you not to do is build on carpet. So we rolled out the red carpet, literally. We need a case, and for that, we went with the NZXT H500i. Where's my knife? The H500i is actually the replacement to the very popular and inexpensive S340, which is a chassis I've really enjoyed. But NZXT has sort of moved to this entire HI series, and they're intelligent cases. They link with their CAM software. They allow you to control things like fan speed based on chassis temperatures, and we chose the white and black one. You can never go wrong with white and black Stormtrooper look. It's classy. Has nothing to do with the fact that my car is white and black, but maybe just a little bit. And as you can see, it has a window. And not only is it a window, it's tempered glass. So at the price point that we're at, not bad at all. So it's got one exhaust fan on the top, one exhaust fan in the back, and then of course it brings in air through the front and a big opening right here on the bottom and the sides. Wire channeling built in, controller right there for your lighting and your fans, obviously, because this baby right here actually lights up. Now, I actually had a hard time coming up with my own list of things not to do because I guess my best practices have been in effect for so long. I reached out to Twitter to see what are the biggest don't do this that you've seen pass around the internet. So we'll start things off here with Zachary. He says, don't touch anything without an anti-static wristband. Not only are we building on carpet, I'm not wearing a wristband, and unlike another famous little YouTuber, I don't wear them around my ankles either. That one or that one. I feel like I'm peeing on a hydrant. We'll go with an EVGA X299 Micro. We'll do that because this allows us to use one of the most useless CPUs ever, the 7740X, which is one of my particular don't do this. One of the things I've also seen people say not to do was don't place your components on top of the anti-static bag, because everyone seems to believe that the static cage that this bag actually is designed to only protect static from the inside, not the outside. Well, I guess we're gonna find out right now, aren't we? Also too, treat everything like it's made of delicate glass, and then with that, I would agree. Treat it as delicately as you can. That's why computer building is so easy. The only thing I would agree that you should be delicate with, though, is actually the socket, if you want to know the truth. The socket is fairly delicate. There's a lot of pins in there. In fact, in this one, I believe there's 2,066 of them, I believe. 2066 socket.
2,000.
Cute. We need glue in our CPUs. Now the board's directly on the carpet.
Actually, not supposed to scrape the components.
You mean like that? Ow! I pinched my finger. Ow. I swear to God, there is a scientific-ish purpose to this video. Emphasis on the ish, but we've never been known to be exactly the most scientifical around here anyway. And that's okay. You know why that's okay? We do the things you shouldn't do to show you why you shouldn't do them, but usually at the end of the day it works, but we still say you shouldn't do them. But I've never actually done this, so that's why I'm doing it now. We need to actually flip these fans around. We don't want these exhausting air. No, we want all of the airs to go inside of our case. So we are putting every single fan, maybe we should do every fan as an exhaust. So now we're like literally pulling everything in through the cracks and vents. I put it in the wrong hole. Damn it, story of my life. Now I would like to point out that I am touching so many components right now. I am touching solders, I am touching traces, although the traces are usually coated on the motherboard to protect them.